Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a word you probably encounter quite often, against. This is an A2 level preposition that means in opposition to something or someone. It's a super useful word that you can easily incorporate into your daily conversations. Let's break it down. When you say you're against something, it means you don't agree with it or you're standing in opposition to it. For example, I'm against bullying means you strongly oppose bullying. Another example could be, the team played against a tough opponent in the final, which means they competed with or opposed the other team. Some synonyms for against include opposed to, contrary to, and resisting. Let's try a few examples with these synonyms. Instead of saying, she's against the idea of staying late, you could say, she's opposed to the idea of staying late. Or, they stood against the new policy could become, they stood contrary to the new policy. Synonyms give you so much flexibility when expressing your thoughts. Now let's look at some antonyms. The opposite of against would be words like for, in favor of, or supporting. For instance, if you say, he is for the proposal, you're expressing support instead of opposition. Or, the crowd cheered in favor of the new law, which clearly shows they agree with it. How can you use against in your daily life? Here are a few examples. I'm against eating too much junk food because it's unhealthy. Are you against trying something new, or are you open to it? She leaned against the wall while waiting for the bus. As you can see, against can describe opposition, physical contact, or even competition in sports or debates. Let's try a couple more sentences. The protest was held against the company's unfair practices. He decided to vote against the proposal during the meeting. These examples show how versatile and dynamic this word can be in expressing both literal and figurative opposition. To sum up, we've explored the word against, its definition, synonyms, antonyms, and plenty of usage examples. I hope you feel more confident about using this word in your own conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using against and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring new words. Bye for now.